Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. In this video, I am going to give you an in-depth review of Oxygen OS 12.1 build number C.63 for the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So OnePlus is rolling out a new stable update for the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. As you can see, I've installed it on my device, and if I go into the About Info section, the build number is C.63 and we still have the Android security patch of 5th August 2022. If you have not received the update, you can either check in the Oxygen Updater application, or you can download the full zip linked in the description below. Move the file to the internal storage of your device, go to settings, about info, and tap the build number 7 times. Now tap on this Oxygen OS icon and select local upgrade and select the file that we downloaded. So following these steps will install C.63 on your device. Now let's run some benchmark on this build. In Geekbench, the device scores 864 in single core and 3032 in multi-core. On the previous build, the single core score was 717 and the multi-core score was 3276. The single core score has increased quite a bit, while the multi-core score has decreased a little bit. In CPU throttling test, the CPU throttled up to 74% of its capacity, and it has also dropped down from 86% to 74% from the previous build. Overall, the performance feels quite okay as it was on the previous build. Nothing has improved. Now coming to the changelogs of this build, there are some new features added to the camera. So let's jump right in and have a look at all the changelogs. So the first changelog says updated Android security patch to August 2022, which I have already shown you earlier in this video. Next, there are a lot of changes regarding the camera application. The first changelog says add text scanner, which supports scanning and importing text to your phone with the camera. But if I go into the camera application, this feature doesn't show up. After that, OnePlus has added 3 new filters, including Radiant, Serenity and Emerald. You can see all these 3 filters are present in the camera application. Next, OnePlus has also added long exposure to adjust exposure time, including movie, vehicles and water and clouds. These features can help you if you take a lot of photos using a tripod and stuff, but these are not useful for me or any other normal user. Lastly, OnePlus has added movie and dual video mode to improve the user experience. You can record video using both front and back camera using this, and you also get 3 modes to choose from. This feature can be really beneficial for some people who share educational videos. So that's all for this video. Most of the changes were regarding the camera application. Rest everything was identical and nothing much has changed. I'll be testing all the aspects of this build like performance, camera, battery for a week, and will show you in my in-depth review video of this build. That's all for this video. Comment down if you are facing any issues with this build. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.